Windows symbolic links are weaponized by attackers, exploiting blind spots in EDR solutions and making systems vulnerable. In this guide, I'll explain symbolic link abuse, why attackers use it, its advantages and disadvantages, and best practices to defend against it. Symbolic links allow redirection to files and folders without duplicating them, posing risks when exploited by attackers. Attackers exploit symbolic links to bypass EDR solutions and execute malicious payloads stealthily while evading detection. Symbolic link attacks provide high stealth and versatility, but require administrative privileges and leave forensic artifacts. To defend against symbolic link abuse, restrict admin privileges, monitor symbolic link activity, and secure critical directories. Regular audits, real-time detection, and memory analysis tools are essential for revealing and mitigating hidden threats. Detect symbolic link abuse across task scheduling, registry manipulation, and network traffic. Combines real-time monitoring with advanced hardening techniques. Easily integrates with existing SOC workflows and security tools. Adaptable to evolving attacker techniques and new vulnerabilities. This guide provides actionable steps and scripts to detect and mitigate symbolic link attacks effectively. Subscribe for more cutting-edge insights and practical solutions. Like, share, and follow for exclusive cybersecurity content.